Today we have a video from Bodycam Goat, and the title of the video is Tommy Bahama Manager Caught Stealing Over $30,000 in Daily Refund Fraud Scam.
This is 23-year-old Adil Shamsuddin. On October 30th, 2025, Delray Beach police responded to a call from a Tommy Bahama clothing store in reference to an assistant manager caught in refund theft. The investigation reveals Adil has been refunding items to his credit card for more than 5 months, successfully stealing over $30,000 in funds from the business. Watch how police discover the theft operation was caught and how the store managed to obtain a written confession statement from the suspect.
He's doing a witness statement. He's returned $33,000 worth of merchandise, put it back on his credit card. So he's doing on his witness statement. My LP guy, I'm the district manager, by the way. He told me just to call him when you guys are here, and they're just going to tell you something real quick before you do.
Okay. Is this an employee that's doing it? Okay. Is the employee here now?
Yeah, he's in the back. Okay. So you're probably putting him, in the car, maybe. I don't know. But that's a lot of money.
So should we go
ready to talk to him?
She ain't coming over here. She just said if you need help. Oh, okay.
You?
All right.
He's my LP guy.
Hi, this is Officer Privatera with Delray Beach Police.
How's it going?
Good. Tell me what's going on.
My name is I'm a senior investigator for Tommy Bahama. I work out of our corporate office in Seattle. I started an investigation on Tuesday of fraudulent refunds by one of our assistant managers. He's in the back right now. I just interviewed him and talked to him. He admitted to it and wrote a statement for me. But he's been coming in and doing fraudulent refunds back since June. Every week he comes in, almost every day now. It started like on a weekly basis and it confirmed into an additional one, but he's been coming in and doing fraudulent refunds, and the total amount that we have is $33,000. It's like $33,560, something like that. But I can get you the total amount. I have receipts. I have my statement and everything. I have video of everything on camera and everything. And like I said, he's admitted to me and back, and I have a witness to our regional managers back there as well. He's admitted to both of us that he did this. So I have a statement from him. He's filling out a promissory note right now, and then we do want to pursue charges on him.
Okay.
All
right. So
I can get you the statement. I can get you the statement electronically to you, and then I can sign and everything, and then I can upload the video to you as well, so you have that as well too.
Okay.
And all the receipts and all of that. So.
All right. So are we waiting for him to finish, or?
Do you want them to go back there now?
Yeah, I'm good with it. If you guys are.
Okay.
So Jason, you can just
How you doing?
How you doing?
So who we here for? What's the name? Okay. All right. So, you involved or anything?
Yeah.
Okay. So, I'm going to read you a couple of things. Just need a verbal yes or no if you understand. Okay. You have the right to remain silent and not answer any questions. You understand?
Yes.
Any statement can and will be used against you in a court of law.
Yes.
Okay. All right. So, I'm going to just start with, why are we here?
You guys are here because I got caught stealing from the company.
When you say stealing, can you elaborate?
See, this is what I like. This is what I like. Listen, you have the right to remain silent. If you decide to talk, don't give no bullshit. Just, you got me. All right, I'm caught. It's over. This is what I did, X, Y, and Z, without the BS. Without none of the BS, just, you got me. I tried to pull a fast one and you got me. That's it. if you decide to talk, I just hate when they like, you have the right to remain silent, and then, you know, instead of remaining silent and then getting with your lawyer or whatever, you're going to say, you know, you're gonna talk, but you're gonna just BS around the story and like, come on, man. This guy said, I was stealing from the company. Admitted to it, like, let's go. Let's go. You know you did wrong.
I just was just issuing returns.
What do you mean by issuing returns?
I was just making returns under my name.
Okay, so how'd you go about that?
I was just returning a few products, and then I was just issuing back to my car. So
where did the products come from? You just made them up, or
just came from in the store?
Came from in the store. So you would take something off the rack,
yes,
and issue it as a return.
Yes, okay. Or it would be any past sizes that I have that I don't fit or I can't wear anymore. I just bring them inside the store and just return them.
Okay. Do you know how much?
They told me yes.
What's that number?
It's $30,000.
$30,000. Okay.
Yes.
And when did this start?
He told me I started in June.
When did you start? I mean, they told you something, but.
I mean, I believe, I told him like July, like June, like we said like end of June, July.
Okay. All right. You got anything? All right. You stand up for me, please. You have any weapons on you?
No.
Okay. Turn around, hands behind your back. Let me take this off. We'll take these off. We'll take all the bands off first.
Okay.
Do you have any other jewelry on you?
No.
Does this? You can take this off. You want to take your earrings off for us too?
Okay.
Makes it easier for us.
Am I able to put it in my pocket?
Well, it's all going to go in a bag.
Oh, in the bag. Okay.
You have plastic bags? Okay. I'm out.
There you go. Okay, that's fine.
We'll take care of that. All right. It's easier if you put them together like you're praying.
Okay.
Other way, like hands like that.
Oh, my God.
It's a little more comfortable.
Just my phone.
Yeah.
Were you the only person doing this, or
Yes, sir.
were you,
No, just me.
wasn't with the girl or anything like that?
No, sir.
Necklace? No?
Yeah.
You have a necklace? Yeah.
You're not working with anybody doing this?
No,
It's not organized.
no, it's not organized.
How long have you been working here?
7 months, 8 months.
7 months. Okay. Is your belt? If I took your belt off, would your pants?
Damn, you've been only working there for 7 months, and they got you dated back for like 5-6 months that you've been doing this. So you pretty much got in the game, and you maybe a month or two of being clean, and then you started this BS. That's the thing, man. It's like, I think I said it on a video yesterday, I think. Listen, you may be able to get away with some stuff once or twice, but the more you continue to do things, the likelihood of you getting caught is just increased. It turned into it started off as a weekly thing, and then it turned into a daily thing. LP said that it was a daily thing now. You think you're not going to get caught? Returns every single day like that? Come on, in a small shop like that? Come on, no, it ain't adding up. $30,000 worth of returns? Come on, man. No.
Fall down.
Yeah, they're kind of
Like they're saggy.
They're pretty loose.
Okay. All right.
My
We'll
bad.
take it on then. All right. You got all that?
Yep.
Can I just put them in your car and then meet you at the PD and we swap? I'm over on that city.
Yeah.
All right.
And then that's my,
Can we get his keys back for him?
oh yeah, you have your keys? Store keys on you?
Are they in here?
They're in that one right there, the top one. So if you unzip this,
This?
yes sir. And then there'll be, that stored key is
The instant key. Yeah, right. This one, right?
yes sir.
These other ones aren't related.
No.
All right, cool. Thank you.
No problem.
Pressure's on. All right. Thank you. Yeah, obviously, if you're going to terminate your employment,
It's all good.
want me to say that.
Listen man, it's
Yeah.
it is what it is. It's
You got a water bill out there? That's what they're saying?
Yeah, they're grabbing it.
the black one.
Oh, I can unlock this actually so it doesn't go off on you.
Oh, yeah.
I believe it's unlocked. Oh, okay.
Do you have a specific side, Perez? No? Okay. Go ahead and have a seat for me. You're just going to be in this one temporarily. You'll switch to mine when we get back to our holding facility. You want to put it all in here?
No, because it's a bunch of stuff.
Okay. I'm going to throw this in the front seat and I'll meet you there.
Did you drive down here? A car or nothing?
Just Uber.
Uber?
I just got dropped off.
Do you have any friends or family that could collect your backpack and
Not anyone that I could trust. No, I could trust. Someone that can get it. Just not right this second if that's what you were asking.
yeah, because I just don't know what county's gonna do with that water bottle. I don't know if they'll take that. So pretty much your process now is we're gonna process the paperwork here. You're gonna go up to Palm Beach County Jail. They're gonna issue a bond, and then you have the opportunity to bond out. What your bond is gonna be, I have no idea, so don't ask. That's their department.
It's okay.
All right. You got enough air back here, or you want me to kick it on?
No, you're good. You're good.
Adil Shamsuddin was charged with 1 count of felony organized scheme to defraud.
Damn. Come on, man. Gave you an opportunity, nice little manager role. You know, managers in little stores like that don't really mean nothing, but still, you know? Damn. You think a company isn't gonna catch on to $30,000 in returns? Come on, man. It's like, no, they catching on to that. I don't know what this guy was thinking. And then I bet you they really caught on when it started to become daily returns. When it was daily happening like that, I bet you that's when it really, like, wait, hold on. Because it's a small store. They're not having returns every day like that, man. You know? No. You're cooked, man. Ruined your life over. Man, whatever. Gonna be a felon. Sad. If you would like to support the channel, make sure you like, subscribe, and comment. Also, hype the video. YouTube has a new feature where you can hype the video. Helps it gets pushed out into the algorithm. Those are all free things to do. If you're looking for some paid options, you can also send a super thanks, super sticker, or look in the description for our YouTube membership and our Patreon link. And I'll catch you in the next video. Thank you. Your support is greatly appreciated.